Hi, I'm JJ Feeney and I'm going to give you a little special look into my new apartment. Okay, come on.
What is this?
He is a Sydney Silkie and he's very sweet, but he's also always very nervous. I don't know why. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Come on in. This is where you get to sleep if you come and stay over. It's my spare room and I absolutely love this room for the calm of it and my picture of my dog and also my flower arrangement.
Is that your actual dog?
He is my actual dog. He doesn't look the same for some reason. He looks happier up there than he is down here. Come on through to the kitchen area. New kitchen, which I love. I spend a lot of time in here cooking or trying to cook. I've got a little Instagram page, JJ's Bitchin' Kitchen, if you're curious. I love this light fitting because it throws a really beautiful shade and shapes on the wall. Oh, hello. Look what I've got. You want to stay for a drink? Well, okay, you're in for a treat now because you're going to see where I snore every night. Come on into the main bedroom. What do you reckon? Does it look inviting?
It does. Tell me about it.
Well, you know, I just recently got this headboard, which I really love, and there's juju up here. But really, I just spend time sleeping in here and getting dressed, basically.
Tell me about the pillows.
First of all, I just want to apologise for not ironing anything here for you, but I mean, you do only need one pillow to sleep on, but you know, there's always an aesthetic you've got to think about when you make your bed every day. Come back into the lounge. This is where I spend most of my time after work. Obviously the lounge kitchen and skulls. I've got lots of skulls around the house. You've got to hunt for them, but I've got some weird fascination with them. I don't know, maybe there's a bit of bogan in me, who knows? I am from Taranaki after all. This is a communal garden for the apartment block. And at night time, there's LED lighting which lights it up. It looks so pretty. And we do spend a bit of time down there. We've had apartment get-togethers. Oh, good boy. This couch is huge. Pretty much 8 people could sit on it. This is usually where I sit with my legs out front when I'm watching a bit of Shamar Moore on SWAT. Say hi. Say hi. If you've ever thought about living in an apartment, I highly recommend it. I've just come from a big house and this is really cool. No one disturbs you, even though you've got lots of awesome neighbours, and you feel safe and it's warm and low maintenance. It's awesome.